हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, हाऊ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. मायसेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले फ्रॉम गोखले एज्युकेशन सोसायटीज RM Bhatt High School, Parel. Welcome students. Today we are going to study standard 10th Algebra's 5th chapter probability. From that chapter we are going to study practice set 5.2. Before studying that practice set 5.2, we must study some important random experiment. So here we are studying some important random experiments. If you remember this random experiment, then you can solve any sum of this chapter. So the whole chapter is based on this random experiment. Some random experiments are there, 7 random experiments. So remember these 7 random experiments, you can do any sum. First experiment is, so in each experiment, what we have to remember? When we say one coin is tossed, so we must know the sample space S and number of sample units NS. So we are writing in this way. So the first random experiment is one coin toss. The first random experiment is one coin toss. So you know, when one coin is tossed, so in previous lecture I show that coin. So only 2 possibilities are there, head and tail. So what is this S? S means sample space. S is always written in curly bracket. It is head or tail. So here S is this one, NS. So NS is 2. So whenever there is any sum which is based on, if we read this statement in a sum, one coin is tossed, then blindly directly write this S is equal to this one and S is equal to this one, because for each and every example in the next practice sets this is required. Second one, second random experiment is when 2 coins are tossed. 2 coins are tossed. So here remember one thing. When 2 coins, we are talking about 2 coins. So when we toss a single coin 2 times, एक coin 2 बार फेंको या 2 coin एक साथ फेंको. Means if we toss a single coin 2 times, the result, and when we toss 2 coins simultaneously, then the result, both results are same. So remember this one. So what are the results? S is equal to, S means sample space, that is the set of all outcomes. So when 2 coins are there, so how to write? H, H. उसके बाद यहां से T लिखते जाना है, H T T H, and both are T T. So H H H T T H T T. So NS is equal to 4. So in this way, when 2 coins are tossed simultaneously or a coin is tossed 2 times, we get the same result, and that is here. Third one is when we toss a single coin 3 times. 3 बार फेंको एक ही coin. Yeah, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, then the result is same again. So here the third random experiment. So remember this random experiment because nothing is there in this probability except that random experiments. So remember this, then you can solve any sum. So third one is 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, or 3 coins are tossed. If 3 coins are tossed, then what is the sample space? S is equal to, how to write? Remember, starting from H, then write T here, then T here, then T here, then T, and again write H. So here, is it clear? देखो पहले 3 H मैंने लिख दिया है, बाय हार्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिर लास्ट पे T, मिडल में T, फर्स्ट में T. सो लेट अस सी, H T, लास्ट में T लिखा, H T H, मिडल में T और फर्स्ट में T, T H. Then next one is T. Same thing. लास्ट में H लिखो, फिर मिडल में H लिखो, फिर फर्स्ट में H लिखो. So T H and H T. So in this way we can write the 3 coins are tossed. Then these are the results: H T. बाद में लिखना है T, then T, then middle में H, T, first में H, T. So NS is equal to 8. So here, how many sample units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So NS is equal to 8. So these are the 3 random experiments of that coin. 1 coin, 2 coin, and 2 coins and 3 coins. So remember this, because most of the sums are based on this coin, random experiment of coin. So remember this one. Let us see the next random experiment is a die is thrown. The 4th random experiment is of a die. We see 3 random experiments of coin. So here a die is thrown. That means single die is thrown. You know, if a single die is thrown, here it is the die, maximum 6 number of points are there, dots are there. Here these are 2 like this. So if we throw, so what is the possibility? S is equal to either on the upper face 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, or 6 is there. So NS is equal to 6. NS is equal to 6. So when 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, or 1 die is thrown 2 times. So here 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. That is the next random experiment. 2 dice are thrown. So 2 dice are thrown. Then what is the sample space? Here the big sample space is there, because 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. When 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, the S is, we get a big S. S is equal to, here the big curly bracket is there. Here we get 1, 1, then 1, 2, 1, 3, means on the first phase 1 is there, constant. On second phase change 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6. So we get this 1, 4, then 1, 5, and here last one is 1, 6. So in this way we have to write up to 6. So here second possibility is on first die 2 is there on the upper face, then 2, 1, then 2, 2, then 2, 3, then 2 4, then 2 5 and 2 6. Then 3 is on the first die. 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6. Write the commas. Then next one is 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5, 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6. 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6. Then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. So here, how many terms are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 are 36. So NS is equal to 36 here. NS is equal to 36 when two dice are thrown simultaneously. So remember this one, how to write. So here the maximum sum, minimum sum of the numbers on the upper face is 2. सबसे कम एडिशन 2 आएगा और मैक्सिमम सम आएगा 6 plus 6 12. So the sum is between 2 to 12. Remember this one. So these are the random experiment, 5 random experiment which are very very important for this chapter probability. Sixth random experiment. A card is drawn from a pack bearing numbers from 1 to 25. So 1 to 20, 1 to 25, that numbers may be changed. So fifth random experiment is of numbers. A card is drawn from a pack bearing numbers 1 to 25. So how many numbers are there? 1 to 25. So S is equal to, we have to write all the numbers from 1 to 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can write directly ... 24 and 25, or you can write whole numbers, all the numbers. So NS is equal to how many numbers? 25. So NS is equal to 25. So in this way we can write the random experiment or sample space for this random experiment. Last random experiment is a card is drawn from 52 playing cards. This is sixth one and last is seventh one. A card is drawn from well shuffled pack of 52 cards, 52 playing cards here. So here diamond card. So here diamond cards are ace means ekka, jack means that gulam, that is called jack, rani, that is called queen, and king. So diamond cards are how many diamond cards? 13 diamond cards are there. So here diamond cards (13). Then that spade card 13. Then that club card 13, and heart and diamond are red color 13. So ace means Ekka, jack means that gulam, and queen that Q, and king raja that K. These are the cards. So in card we can't write the sample space, means S we can't write directly, we have to write that NS and then write the other things. Now these are the random experiment which are required for this chapter. So please remember this random experiment. Now let us see practice set 5.2. So here let us see that question number 1. Write S and NS. We have to write only S, means sample space and number of sample units in question number 1. So what is the sub question number 1? One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. We get H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Means head is constant on the coin. Then 1 आ सकता है, 2 आ सकता है, 3 आ सकता है, 4 आ सकता है, 5, 6 on the die. Then tail is constant on the coin. उसके बाद 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get NS is equal to 12. Now second sub question is 2-digit numbers are formed using the digits 2, 3, 5. So here the condition is without repeating the digits. कोई भी digit repeat नहीं करना, यानी 22 not allowed, 33 not allowed, 55 not allowed, without repeating the digit. If we read the question we see that condition. So how to form the numbers, कैसे करना है? 2 लिया, उसके बाद में 3 जोड़ दो 23, उसके बाद 5 जोड़ दो 25. So we get the 2-digit numbers formed by 2. So 2 से किया, बाद में 3, बाद में 5. So 23, 25, 3 से 3, 2, 3, 3 not allowed, 3, 5. So we get 6 numbers. So in this way that question number 1 is completed. Now let us see question number 2. In question number 2, this disk is shown and this arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disk, means at any color. Find out on which color it may stop. So it may be stop on red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple, anything. You know, अगर हम लोग मेले में जाते हैं पुराने टाइम में, मेले में ऐसा कुछ गेम रहता है पैसों का, ऐसा ये चक्री यानी ये राउंड जो है घूमता है, उसमें कलर है, हम लोग ये कलर पे पैसा लगाया, अगर यहाँ पे एरो आया तो हम लोग को डबल मिलेगा, और यहाँ पे लगाया तो पैसा गया. दैट इज द गेम. जो सट्टा या पत्ता जैसे बोलते हैं वैसा वो गेम है. सो इन दिस game, how many colors are there? So what is the possibility that arrow may be stopped on red, may be stopped on orange, then yellow. So these are the possibilities. Blue, green, purple, etc. इसके सिवा दूसरा कलर पिंक या कोई रहेगा क्या? नहीं. सो हियर S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So NS is equal to 6. So here again we have to write S and NS. So in this way we can write the S means number of possibilities. So the arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disk. Find out on which color it may stop on any color. Space of that random experiment. See question number 3. In question number 3, what is given? The month of March 2019. The calendar of month March 2019 is shown. In the month of March 2019, read that question carefully. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means 5, 10, then 15 like this. Here if you observe that calendar, then 5, the first one is 5 on Tuesday. So question number 3, we can write the random experiment. Sample space of the random experiment is first one Tuesday, then second 5 2s are 10, 10 is on Sunday, then 5 3s are 15, 15 is on Friday. So the day means Friday. Then 20 is Wednesday. The next one is 25 is on Monday. These are the multiples of 5. The dates are multiple of 5. And 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 25. So we have to observe that dates कि 5 कौन से दिन में आ रहे हैं, 10, 15, 20, on which day, that dates we have to write here. So here 25 के बाद 30 is on Saturday. So here Saturday is the last one. So here that month is completed. So NS is equal to, we have to write the number of sample units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here NS is equal to 6. So 6 dates are 5, 6 are 30. So 6 dates are there which are multiple of 5, and that dates are coming on these days. Now the last question is question number 4 from this practice set 5.2. Question number 4, only 4 questions are there. Form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys B1 B2. Boys क्या दिया है हम लोग को, B1 B2. Here 2 boys are B1 B2 and 2 girls are G1 and G2. Now we have to form the committee of 2. दो का हम लोग को committees तैयार करना है for the purpose of road safety committee. Then write the sample space for everyone. A, तो पहला condition दिया है. According to that condition we have to write the sample space. Committee of 2 boys in which both boys are there. So in this committee only 2 boys will be there. So the committee of 2 boys. So S is equal to, जिसमें 2 चाहिए और दोनों boys चाहिए, B1 B2. So only one possibility is there. So NS is equal to 1. Second, B is given committee of 2 girls. Committee of 2 girls. So here committee of 2 girls, only girls will be there. So we get G1 and G2 because condition is 2 members must be there in the team and both are girls. So we get is equal to 1. Here it is B1 B2, that is the single committee, only one committee. G1 G2, that is the only one committee. Now third possibility is C, committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. Committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. So in that committee 1 boy and 1 girl may be there. So here the first, if we take B1 G1, and first boy first girl, that committee. Then B1 G2, this is also the committee of 1 boy 1 girl. Then third one B2 G1, second boy first girl, and B2 G2. So in this way we can form 4 committees. So NS is equal to 4 here. So in this way we can write the sample space and the sample number of sample units in practice set 5.2. So this is so easy practice set. This chapter is also so easy. Now in next practice set 5.2, events and probability, these 2 points are there. So here this practice set 5.2 is completed. Remember that 7 random experiment for this chapter. If you remember this random experiment, then the whole chapter you can solve any sum from that chapter. So students, here this 5.2 is completed. If you have any doubt, then write in the comment box. I will definitely solve that doubts. And important, if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel to get the latest update or latest videos, and share these videos to your friends. Thank you.